guys, so I'm just walking around the St. John's Town Center. Yes, it is very cold. It's freezing. I'm wearing gloves, I'm wearing a hat, I'm wearing a heavy jacket. And the wind is terrible, but I'm just getting stuff for college, which starts in about a week. So what I think I need for college, I need some new notebooks. Definitely, I write too much. I need maybe some pens. Could probably get that from Target. Who knows? You know, one thing I've noticed is that basically everything is too expensive at the town center. It is very cold. It's very windy, and I also should totally get a haircut before college starts, but I'm not going to because I am too lazy to do so. Well, that was kind of a failure. We went in looking for a scarf. All we found were high-priced clothing that no one needed. On the bright side though, I did buy a chocolate cookie. I love me some cookies.
I got a horror book.
So, yes, my friend, say hi, got a horror book. Our friendship is a complicated but great one.
Our friendship is not complicated.
No, a good complicated. It's not like a bad. It's more like there's so many.
Always means bad. Negative connotation, friend.
Oh, wait, then what's a better word?
I don't know what you're trying to do.
Multi-interesting, multi-nuanced. Nuanced?
Nuanced.
I cannot speak English for the life of me. Multi-dimensional friendship.
Okay, wait, that still sounds... Now it just sounds like you're crazy. You guys aren't.
Okay, so maybe this was a success. At least we started a conversation about the definition of friendships. Well, we're heading towards our car now. We're gonna head out to IKEA, eat some Swedish meatballs, and then I guess that'll be the end of this excursion. Let's go to IKEA. IKEA. We have the food, got some chicken tenders and some chocolate cake, same thing. And then what you got?
The best meatballs.
We got the best meatballs in this side of IKEA. Hey guys, I just got back from my long day out getting college supplies, just shopping with my friends for fun, and I thought I would show you what I got. So first thing I went to was the Disney store because I am a Disney fanatic, and I got 2 shirts. At the Disney store, everything is basically 50% off or 70% off. They're cheap. So for the first shirt I got was Mickey Mouse. And if you can't see, they're all like dotted. So it's a really cool design and way that they did Mickey. And half off, I got a Mondays Be Like, and it's the Cheshire Cat because literally Mondays be like, oh my gosh. It's the worst day in college because you just want to sleep in, but you gotta do homework and you gotta go to school. So next, I went to this Natural Life. It's literally called Natural Life. All of its products basically have promotional and happy statements that make you feel better. And I ended up getting a stress ball from its Fearless collection. that says never, never, never give up. And so every time I am squeezing this, because I always need something with my hands, I cannot have idle hands or else I get so distracted. I'll just read never, never, never give up. It's very motivational. So afterwards, I actually ended up going to IKEA, and while I didn't buy anything like furniture-wise, I did buy me some Swedish candy. So I got Marabou, and then I got Tolanda. I have a milk chocolate, and I have a milk chocolate with hazelnuts. So I'll probably try those later. And then I finally went to Target, and I got myself a Sora Popco. They finally have Kingdom Heart Popcos, so I'm going to collect them all. And then because it's cold right now, I end up getting some gloves that I can hook my fingers gloves, so it'll work either without the top or with the top. And then I got a hat. So that's literally all I got today. It was a good excursion with my friends, and it was a good way to start preparing for college in a week. So leave a comment, like, and subscribe if you want to see more of my preparing for college and for my college lives at CollegeVlogs. See you guys.